Good morning and welcome to the market update with Russell Calkins for this May 25th, 2000 at the 11:34 a.m. Arizona time edition. A little bit of an update. Purpose here on YouTube is to educate anybody that wants to help or needs help charting the markets on the commodity futures, that needs assistance with study indicators. I will give report that I have on what I look at, and I've been doing this for 40 years, but we've never had these free, absolutely free, streaming live charts. It's awesome. So for instance, you can go to investing.com and click on any of their commodities markets, and you can click on the chart, and then you can go to the technical chart. And once you go onto the technical chart, let's say I set it up for the daily. If you want to trade that length of time, a week, 5 weeks, a couple of months, the daily is a good chart. If you're a monthly trader, it's different. If you're a day trader, it's totally different. If you're a position trader like I am, I only did 23 trades, and 22 of them netted 43% per trade, okay? But some trades I was in for 6 weeks. Other trades I was in for a week. So it just depends. I'll run my trade until it makes what I think it's going to make. Also, another thing I've never mentioned, if you've looked at any of the market updates with Russell Calkins, is that you need to put your own stop losses in. All right. Past performance is never an indicator of future profits. I'm simply telling you what I do, what I would do if I wanted to trade the markets right now. And primarily, I don't want to do that right now. What I want to do right now, I want to educate. All right. In other words, you're going to use your own money on the advice that I've had basically all my life. And if you make money on that in a small way, what is stopping you from making money in a large way or a larger way? So that's what I want to do. I want to try to help you. And of course, nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. Nobody can guarantee a profit by federal law. And so what I'm saying to you is, in the commodity futures markets, for instance, 97.5% of the people that invest lose. Did you hear? 97.5% lose. 1.5% win. Or excuse me, it's 98.5% lose. Only 1.5% wins. It's wild to look at the true facts is that the people that win seem to win most all the time. They're the specialists. They're the people that use technical formations to project the future, because we believe as technicians, if there is a future to be told, it's in the numbers. So I can help you look at numbers, and you can look what 80% of the successful guys out there are really looking at, which is the charts. Now, the fundamental is the news. So you got the fundamental 20%, 80% technical. That's what I do. All right. Just like a weightlifter, use your own grip, So investing.com, pull up the commodity market that you want. You can even trade stocks in the commodity futures. People don't know that, in the form of stock index or indices. Okay, that's actually a main commodity futures, one of the 65. The S&P 500 index is a good example. The NASDAQ or the knife, you can trade on the markets. You can put as little as nothing down on a day trade, and I can also help you on day trades. All we do is we look at a different chart. We look at a 1-minute chart or a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart, depending on how many trades, how tight you want to trade. And again, historically, the most successful traders are position traders. They'll get in at a certain point and in some cases wait a week, some cases a couple of months, and past performance never guarantees future profits. Thank you for listening today to the market update with Russell Calkins, and may God bless you.